to TS24x7. Today we are going to discuss about CSS3 transformations. These transformations will let an element to change its shape and size, position, and there are some methods which are used to have these are all effects. And the first one is translate, rotate, scale and skew. Now we'll discuss about scale. This scale method will be used to increase or decrease the size of an element according to the parameters given to the width and height. It is used to increase or decrease size of an element Now we'll go for an example so that we can understand about the scale method detailedly. Example, open the notepad, HTML tag will be open, and open the head part and open the style tag, and here we'll be taking some div. Here we'll be giving width. The width is of 200 pixels. The height is of 100 pixels, and I'm giving border. The border is of 1 pixel solid and 1 pixel solid, and we can give any color to the border. I am giving black here, and this is background. The background is an yellow, or we can give any. And here I am giving WebKit. This is browser support. Transform. Here scale. For scale we'll be giving width is 100 pixels. Height is of 50 pixels. I'm closing div. We have to give the standard syntax for that. Transform, scale. Here the 100 pixels is of width, 50 pixels is of height. And now close the style, close the head part, open the body and take div. We can give some text, or we also cannot. Close the body, close the HTML. Save this file with the .html extension. Run this file with the browser. Okay, this is our output. Here we got the div element with the 100 pixels is of width and 50 pixels is of height. This is our output. Now the following example. Now we'll consider an example so that the following example will show that element is decreased to its half of the width and height. Now consider an example. Open notepad, HTML, head part. Here we'll be taking style. Take one div, and here we'll be giving width, and as usually we'll be giving 200 pixels, and height is of 100 pixels, and the border is of 1 pixel solid, and black. I'm giving black color to the border, and the background is of yellow color. Here it is an yellow color I'm giving, and I'm giving WebKit, which is browser support. here I'm giving method scale, means here I'm giving 0.5 height, width, and 0.5 width, height. And now so this is a standard syntax. This is standard syntax I'm giving, which is of a scale of 0.5 width, 0.5 height, and close the div and close the style tag and close the head part. Open the body, and here we can give some div or text, anything. We can also give none to the div element, and close that, close the body, and close the HTML. Now save this file with the .html extension. Now run this file with the browser. Yeah, here we got the output, which is means previous example is the width and height are very large, and we have taken this example with the half of the, which is decreased to the half of the size of that previous element. So that here we got the output, which is of 100 pixels width and 200 pixels width and 100 pixels is of height, which is half of the size of that previous example. So this is our output. So this is about scale method, which is present in the transformations, so that using this scale we can increase or decrease the size of an element. So we can say it as an transformation, means transformation is an effect which will done to the effect element. So the transformation is a change or a effect which will done to the element in the form of size, position, shape. So scale is used to change the size of an element. So this is one of the method of transformations. So this is about transformations with scale method. Thank you.